Hi! You see again the match. I'm kind of the queen of African culture. Guys, I was going for a shoot and I found this orange orchard and I decided to enter to see how they do these stuffs. Like if you come to this place, they have enough of it. Like I want to find out the side effects, how good one can make this orange. If you want to have a farm, orange farm, how you can set up this farm and all that. So I'm here to find out how they do this, how they market it, how they feel like having this farm. Is it good? Is it something that you can have and make a living from? Is it something that you can have and train your children, build up your family and have a good living from? Like, guys, follow me, let's go and find out, and also find out the side effect, because some places, if you go, if you see their orange, you see that sometimes you see maggots, you see some things inside, you see many of them, you find out that they're damaged. But from what I'm seeing here, like if you take a look at this very one, there is nothing like ants or maggot or anything inside. So I want to find out this and more. Follow me, guys, let's go and find out how they do this stuff then. Okay, guys, let's go. I saw this man here. The owner of the farm is around. Let's go and find out from him. Okay. Good afternoon, sir. How you doing?
No problem.
As a pass now, see say as an orange plenty for year. Now orange farm now they do.
Orange farm.
Now you go this place.
I'm in Geta. I'm in Geta.
This one's why I see you they come out now. What's happening?
The one way no good. The one way good, no good.
Okay, the one way don't spoil.
The way never wrap. We don't wrap finish.
Why do you say come plenty for ground like this?
The one where the people where never buy and the one where I come out and put them like this. So that the thing go there like fertilizer.
I see there for ground, go there like fertilizer to the orange.
Go right here like this. Go form fertilizer.
Form fertilizer?
Where?
How many years did they take orange to grow, come begin to produce seed?
Like 4 to 5 years like that.
If you plant them 4 to 5 years, you don't grow.
4 to 5 years.
You can't begin to produce orange fruit.
4 to 5 years.
How do they plant and now the seed they plant? I bet they cut the.
As like this, you go buy, you go put the rough one like this. After grow like a year, then you go carry the one where like this, put them, and I join be that. So,
I don't understand. You put which rough one?
You will put rough one. As this one, if you know carry the good one, put them like this. You know go produce better one. You know go produce better one unless you go join them.
You go carry, you go cut them like this.
Cut them like this. Put them. Come out this one like this. Put them. Then tighten. Okay. After for some days. Remove the thing where you tighten. Then you go be like say you go come out like this. Then begin to grow. Then
you go put on fertilizer.
And you go put on fertilizer. You go put on.
Normal fertilizer where they put for farm.
Fertilizer where they put on for farm. Normal one.
The place where one
like
plant.
PC this 2020. Super. That the one way with the put on.
If you want plant another place where you want, you go plant another place, come bring and come where you want me stay.
You go come out the one where you good. Make hole like this, put on, close on. Line by line.
Line by line. How many years now with your farm dinner?
It be like say. Like 10 to 11.
10 to 11 years now?
10 to 11 years now. 10 to 11.
At the past now I see orange plenty. And you know say now people they know now with orange. I can't say my enter, I can't see as you dey inside farm. I say I ask you 1 or 2 questions. So as you dey now with plenty like this, how you dey test them?
People where they buy, they go come. When they come, They go ask you whether you want to sell the one way there for up.
Okay.
Like this one where you see.
They go buy them from
Buy them for the tree, then program, carry back, put them.
Okay, they come buy and plug and carry go by themselves.
By themselves.
But if person won't make you the supply, give them.
If that one you go come, if you come, then we go talk price, talk everything. Then you go, I will plug come for you. Supply.
Like how many trailers where they load for a year of orange?
In fact, my own, just 2 to 3 trailers like this. 2
to 3 trailers.
If we enter like this, you go. Now my own they like this. That place.
All this one when they reach down.
Reach down.
How now they don't say you don't ripe?
You will see it by yourself now. Like this one, you don't do. Like this one, you don't do.
Okay, like this one, no, don't do.
Don't do well.
Okay, don't ripe like this.
And the other one there, where that person.
That one don't ripe like this.
Don't lap. If you program, you go sweet.
But as it don't big like this, now they put on fertilizer again.
We will put on.
As it don't big like this.
It will put on fertilizer. They put on fertilizer. After a year, then fertilizer you go put on. After a year, you go put on fertilizer.
But person don't know plenty. You know, say some places if you go see orange, you know they did this shape where this one own. You know, say this one own, they small, and they bear many fruits.
That's so I they treat them. That's why they treat my orange.
My orange farm you do. So person will want even make it supply for Lagos, Abuja, Enugu, Abia State, any state at all you go supply.
Where?
I don't know. So this one say they granite, they go leave them for manure now.
Manure. Go leave them for manure. When land come, the thing go lot, they finish.
But as it there for granite, I know they grow like this. For the seed, they grow.
You know they do anything again. When land come, that will finish there.
So the seed, they grow from this one come out.
I know we do anything again. As it there for ground like this, you know we do anything again.
Okay, you know they do anything again.
You know we do anything again. That one don't go already.
Don't go like this.
Don't go like this.
But if you open and carry the seed, plant them.
You know go there. You know go do. The seed now, you know go do. Unless you will carry fresh one. You will carry fresh one. Put them. Unless fresh one.
I just say that the seed they plant too.
At all.
What of the space? How you they give the space when you plant them?
You go make like this. Go measure 4 to 5 distance. Meter distance. 5 to 4 meter. 4 to 5 meter like this.
So that you get space.
The thing will get space.
Okay, but if you don't get space, they make an...
We no go do fine. You no go do fine.
You no go produce well.
You no go produce well.
The space go make and breeze go there enter.
Where? So.
But you know they grow past like this. So.
It go blow past. It go blow past. It go blow past. But like this, don't do. I don't like finish.
Have you plug her?
You go plug her now.
It's strong, Hey. Okay. But you know, say get some places where you go. You go see maggots go enter orange.
That one to treat them like that. If person no treat them well, that thing will enter.
Okay, you can't spoil them.
We get chemicals where you go put them. Where that thing no go enter.
They use the chemical inject and then the thing no go enter.
Put and spray for the orange like this.
For the body? Okay, no be say they inject them for the tree.
Not be like that. For the this thing like this, for the body like this.
This is interesting. So a person who won't get orange farm, we won't make a plant for them, but won't get orange farm. You go feed them for them.
I will do it for you. You can even come here, call me and go to your place.
But you get any land where orange you know they good?
There is some land where orange you know they do fine. There is some land where orange you know they do fine. So
not be all land where orange they like. Okay, like this one they look. You get where they see where they cut like this one. Where
now the one where no.
See this one.
Now the one like this, the thing close too much.
Okay.
No space. That's why I removed that one.
Okay, they close too much.
Close too much. They close too much.
Okay, now you can remove am like this.
Remove some inside like this.
As you dey remove am, you no even feel say you don dey cut it, wetin dey give you money?
I cut am, give the person where want to buy the orange.
Space. Na money dey ground like this, so.
Well.
How una dey feel if e dey like this? You no dey feel say your money just dey waste for ground? Like
that one don go already. No need. Don't go already.
This is nice though. Omo. Person wan learn how to plant orange, like we wan get orange farm. Omo, the business good well. Una wey sabi do and wey be say now una work. Learn how to do this. Is giving, yeah, it's giving. Like how much way, like you don't calculate and like say one orange like this, how much way if he give you?
One
tree like this.
Like some they bring 4 to 5 bags.
4 to 5 bags.
4 to 5. If they produce fine, 4 to 5 bags.
Now, how much do they sell one bag?
A bag now they are selling for 2,500.
But when no be the season, how much?
Farm season, this thing like this, it the good season. Like now, that season. Now that season be this.
Okay, you get when the thing they cost past that 2,000?
Sometimes they buy around 5,000. Come on.
Like which months where they reach that amount?
Like now, like this time that March be this.
Yes.
It is going close to reach that money.
Okay. We go reach that 5,000, 6,000.
6,000 go.
Okay. They do
like last year like this. Now they buy about 7, 8.
Okay, last year.
Last year.
They do orange storage.
Yeah, but not be like this. Oh.
Okay. Now how?
They use to put inside this thing, like bottle. Bottle.
Okay. The water. Okay. Press and put inside bottle. Hey, those ones now. Those ones who want to sell for foreign people like supermarket, all those things.
Like
orange juice.
That's it.
God bless you now with a good thing, though.
Right.
So like this, if I want to get orange farm now, no.
Unless you will meet me now, I will show you how to make them.
How to make them? No, I will come because I like them.
It's alright.
As you dey like this, feel like say, you don't tie, you don't want lick orange again, you don't tie.
This thing na money now. Now the thing where they give money
like
be this.
Like to the lick am now they talk.
Me, I know they lick am like this.
You don't tie.
I don't tie with orange like this, unless you.
Because he dey with you every day.
Every day.
So like this now, person we want get the factory now, orange factory now. Say they want get orange farm, big farm. They produce plenty orange now. You ready to like?
Why now? Now the thing where they find be that.
So if you're looking for a way to start orange farm, like planting many of them, having the factory to they produce many, he's ready to do that. Okay, so even student out there that wants to do research, how they plant orange, how to make good farm orange, how to be producing orange, right? You can contact him. He will teach you. Those people wait there for school where they do research. Now they talk. If they need to know how orange they take, how they take treat them, we go they good, make and grow. They produce many oranges them. How they take even know say this one a manu? How they take they put fertilizer, they inject and they treat and where they can come and meet him for research. Right? He's ready to teach people how to do it.
Exactly.
Because me, I don't even know say like this way they like this na manu.
Na manu.
I don't know. I don't even know. I just say before the chemical na to the put them for the tree. As the tree they like this, they come put chemical. I don't know say na for the body like this.
They not be chemicals with the put. Na fertilizer directly.
Fertilizer directly to this one now.
To this one like this.
But if you don't want me maggots enter and
you go put there is some chemicals where they used to spray like this for the orange, for the body. For the body.
I've learned that one today. More research is good. I'm learning something. Wow. Thank you guys. I see you may get my and carry African culture. Follow my page, like, share. more, to learn more, like more better things will go help you. You want to go? Cha-cha. Okay, sir. If you take me around your farm, Nabi.
It's all right.
Let's go. All of them not get the same thing.
There's some that the one way never do.
This one do very big. Big well. But never that level.
Never wrap. This one is the complaint is the last week.
It's very important.
I need to learn.
But never wrap.
Never wrap.
Let's like this. Hey, wow.
I don't know. The one with the brother. The one with the brother.
Okay, they don't plug. But as it is small, I don't really show color, say don't write now.
It show color. That one don't do already.
But if you open, I go bitter.
It no go bitter. It go sweet. Now the one where you go plug am next small like that.
Okay, sir. This one where come there like this, what thing can happen?
This thing. In fact, what I will call it safe. Sickness.
Sickness don't enter this one.
Sickness don't enter this one.
Okay, now make it come there like this.
Wait there like this. This one don't die already.
You don't die already.
As there like this, you don't
you don't die already. So as it there like this, no go produce again.
Well, you know go produce again.
You know go produce again.
You know go produce again.
Hey. Are you serious?
But
now say you don't know early to inject am, abi na wetin cause am?
As this thing come enter like this. As I know treat am. Now the thing where come and cause am like this, where no good.
This thing where they like this. What thing they call am?
Our language, I don't know how to call this thing, sir.
For the language, you don't know.
This we call am. Kasi yila za kwa ne baondo.
Baondo. Okay, now if you just enter the orange, you go spoil them.
Don't spoil them already.
So you don't get what you go do, and now we go make them now.
Now already, unless I will come out the one, this one, come out and put another one.
But if you cut them now, like this way you say they take plant and go plant them, as this don't enter now, you no go see produce.
Number one, you no go produce number one.
You go see produce like this.
But not be number one again.
Not be number one again.
Not be number
one.
Are you
serious? So as the thing don't enter, it don't damage them.
Work completely.
No more fruit again.
At all.
The life don't go like
don't
this.
Go, unless another one will come.
Wow. I learned something. See, even in that one, if you enter.
Unless another one will come, replace this one.
But if they say you know early put under chemical, if you not do.
You no go do like this. No go do like this. No go do like this.
Yeah, I don't learn something today. See even this one, sir. This small one.
This one come under the thing cost.
We're learning every day. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, what's in rain? They do orange.
Rain? Learn not to do orange anything now. Okay. If learn they come, that's so in like be that. That the thing where orange like be that.
You know what if they thought that and say if rain fall, the small ones will never grow.
It go grow finish now. It go grow well. If land come, that's the most small one way they come. And the thing where in like be that. It like land to grow.
So during dry season and like when na dry season, if rain come start dey fall now, the sweetness dey change.
It go change. It go change small. The one wey you never do, you no go sweet well. The one wey you never do, wey you never big like this, that one you no go sweet. But this one, you go sweet.
But if rain come fall, it go sweet more.
More.
We learn every day like this. If rain fall, the big one will come sweet.
It come sweet.
More.
More.
But if the small ones go come,
that one not too big again. Only too big.
Okay, come big again. No go sweet. No go sweet. So you dey see the difference. Small one go come
big.
The big one go come sweet more. Well, I don't laugh me. Okay, sir. Wetin make this one come? They like say it ripe too much, come they like this.
The thing we make like this in the dry season, come beat them.
Okay, dry season come meet them.
Beat them. We come there like this. We no get water inside again.
Okay, as you like this, no get water inside.
Get water again. But if water rain come, you go bring water again.
Okay, now the water where you no get, make am come there like this.
They like this. Now you make am like this.
No make am come. Okay, see as they press.
Okay. So water no dey plenty again.
Okay.
Because of dry season.
So you don't spoil
like this, you don't spoil.
You don't spoil.
But if rain come again, you go bring water again inside.
Okay, you go come.
They with water. Now you make am like this.
Like if you want, when did they take plant this orange? When did they take plant them?
Like April, May, June, like this.
April, May, June.
At the normal time with that.
Okay, if you want plant another April, May, June.
The normal time.
The normal time.
To plant the orange.
Okay, now this type will be say if water enter them, you come sweet. What you tell me for that place?
You come sweet. If water come again, this one come, you go sweet.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So as you then they lack water.
I like water. Like water where water come, you go bring them again. If we program like this, quarter, you go get water. You go get water inside.
See as I press and this one they press.
As rain come like this, water go come small.
If you press and I know come they soft again. Now because the water no they come they do like this.
You know they again.
Hey.
And water will make it like this.
We're learning every day. We see. Or themselves they lack water. See. As I press and you do see. You do like this. Because the water no dey inside. And once rain come now, it go strong. It go back. It go get himself. Water will come enter. We're learning every day. Okay. Alright guys, so if you need orange farm, you want to plant orange, have it in your farm, orange plantation, you can contact him. He's ever ready to teach you how to do it, how to be producing orange, how to be making money from orange. It's good business. And according to him, he said that once you plant orange, like 3 years, you start harvesting, Abi. You start harvesting plenty of it. And one tree, you can even 3 to 4 years. And one of the tree, you can get like 4-6 bags, Abi. It's a good business, like that can get good money. And if you want to plant orange, that is April, May, June. That's when the right time to plant orange.
The normal time.
I don't learn something though. I think I need to have a farm myself. Like, I say they load like they get like 3, 4, 6 trailers.
Trailers here.
Like this trailer where they carry orange, where they big well. Yeah. So people they carry from here go east, go different places.
Some people where they buy, they go Abuja, go anywhere they like to say.
They come here, come buy and carry go Abuja, Lagos, Enugu, Onitsha, anywhere. Yeah. And if person call you to come plant for them, to come help them arrange a farm for orange.
Here. You will come meet me for my house. Then you will take me to your place. I will do them for you.
So he's ready to help out. Like, wow, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, like now, let's say get some kind of farm where we say if people want buy, they'll come buy from the tree. They don't go buy from the back. You know, they do like that here. They will come for farm now and buy all the orange.
Only orange. We get them like that.
Like now, if person won't buy now, you go come meet you for farm. Say you won't buy this whole farm for the year now to pluck like the orange way down. They do like that.
They go do.
Okay, but that time no go say making they calculate by bag. You know they calculate like that.
It will program. Then put them again. Put for bag. Then we go talk that one.
Okay, you know go sell them like this now. Make the person pluck and by himself. Okay, no, we sell like that. Now for bag.
For bag.
Okay. Wow, this is good. Thank you guys. I still remember your getting mass and crowd the Queen of African culture more on this research. Girl, I mean, I learned something today. I learned something. For the first time, I'm seeing how they do this orange of it. Me, I'm just good at licking, like, but I don't know that this is how it's done. But I've learned something today. Thank you guys. I still remember your getting mass and craft. Be expecting more. Like when I say more, you get in the Queen of African culture. Let's go.